Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video is a much needed detail on the FRS. I've been neglecting this car. It is so filthy. Look at those drips. It has like a layer of dust for so long. It's really bad. So yeah, we're going to be giving some TLC to this car today because it is much needed. So yesterday I was working on the 240 a little bit, and then I kind of just left it unattended, so it never got done. I was doing some interior stuff, so be on the lookout for that video. But look at the space in between this. You can't even walk through here. But speaking of the 240, look at the shirt that I released of the 240. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? But the always under construction with the 240. Prime example. It is under construction as always. Let's do a little overview of how dirty this is. You guys already know my biggest struggle are these white wheels. Yep. This literally goes along the whole car and it's very bad. Look at this layer. We're gonna get her right today. My exhaust tip, I've never seen it this shade before. That's sad. Yesterday, I was test fitting the new work wheels. Here are all the fingertips. Just terrible. This is terrible. You guys already know my favorite cleaning and supply brand is Rev Auto. I have all of their stuff basically at this point. I have a really good wrap care line, and that is basically all I use for my car. So I start off with this wrap shampoo. I have another bottle. I'm almost out with this one. And then I also use this breakaway. I actually use this one first. I start on my wheels because I like to get a good scrubbing on them, and this thing is so good. It takes away all of that brake dust that I just showed you guys. And this is actually something new I'm gonna try. So this is like their tire shine. So I'm gonna be trying this afterwards. I never put tire shine on my tires because I never have anything. So I just kind of leave it, but honestly it makes all the difference. I got the little spongy thing to put with it. I also got this wheel cleaner brush because you guys know I swear by my brush cleaner from AutoZone. That thing has destroyed the amount of times I have used it. I picked up a new one from Rev Auto. As always, if you guys want to try any of their products out, I have a code with them. It is Alex15, so I'll leave it somewhere on the screen or down below if you guys want to try their stuff out. And then I just use a bucket from Home Depot. From the home of the depot. The depot's home. I lied, not everything's from Rev Auto. This one's not from Rev Auto. I actually got one from Rev Auto, and then I added it in the giveaway that I just did on my Instagram. And I was like, let me throw in the Washman. Also, I know it is very frowned upon to use a wheel brush on your wheels, but honestly, it is the only way I feel like these wheels will get a good scrubbing. So I'm gonna do it no matter what. So that is what it will look like if you don't scrub it, don't use wheel cleaner. Disgusting. You guys saw that girl, but someone just drove by and yelled, "I like your car." I love people like that. So nice. I have this burn on my hand and I just hit it really freaking bad on my wheel and it hurts really bad. We're about to speed run through this. Look at the new Street Bliss decal. Isn't it so cute? The home of the depot. So you guys see how like dry and nasty the tire looks without any tire shine? Like, I don't know. It's not bad, honestly. It's not the worst, but it changes the game when there's a little bit of shine to it. I'm gonna be testing out this Uber shine. Like I said, I usually skip out this step because I don't know. I just don't really care too much about it, but I know it makes all the difference, so. Remove any excess. Ooh, look at that. Obviously I'm not a pro, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I saw this trick on Instagram, I think, or TikTok, that when you're washing your car to put the bottle in there. I don't know if it's gonna stay, but you guys know these cars, the door is a literal nightmare. It does not stay open. It hits my freaking leg. I feel like I'm about to lose it. It hurts so bad and it's just so annoying. I don't really think it's working though. It kind of keeps it open, be like, I'm still gonna push it open. I never clean the inside of my window, so today's the day. And also, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't really want to clean the interior. I cleaned it not that long ago, but honestly it's dirty again because my interior gets so filthy so fast. I'm not really in the mood to clean it, so I'm like debating. Stuff to go really soon. I'm gonna be giving Russell a ride. He's getting his E30 bagged right now, so that is so exciting. And maybe it'll be close to done when I get there, so I can show you guys how the E30 looks on bags. That is so exciting. He is leaving it overnight at the shop, so I'm gonna be a little uvu jobbers.
I never went to uvu jobber.
My clean car can go get shown off to the world. This is how she ended up. I didn't do a good job drying it. The home of the depots. And we have concluded. Honestly, keep in mind, I am not a professional detailer. I will leave spots like that because they just came after the fact, you know, but it looks so freaking good, better than it was, 100%. So if you guys want to check out any products from Rev Auto, make sure you guys use my code. It is an affiliate code, so it does help me out, but I truly love and use their products now every time. Like, look at this wheel, oh my god. Seeing a clean white wheel puts me in such a happy mood. You guys don't even understand the satisfaction of seeing my wheels clean because they're never clean. Look at this. I could eat off of it. This could be my new dinner table. So I'm taking you guys along with me on my day. I'm gonna start getting ready to head out. My Amazon package actually just came in. I was waiting for these bubble mailers because I ran out while I was packing some orders on my last Street Bliss drop. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting ready right now and then packing up those orders and dropping them off. Actually can't drop them off today, it's Sunday. See you guys when I'm either packaging or on the road. I don't know. My hair is not dry yet. I'm trying to be as productive as possible while my hair dries. I did my makeup, I changed. Now we're going to fix some of these orders that I messed up on. Before I launched the site, I did a test run, shipped out a pin and one of these like rigid envelopes on one of these. And they're really thick, so I was like, oh, they'll be fine. I don't have to buy any bubble mailers because I have a bunch of these, so I wanted to get rid of them. But the one that I sent to myself actually like punctured through the thing, so I was like, oh, no freaking way. So now all of these that I have already ready to go, I have to redo, and that is why I got the bubble mailers. Thankfully, Amazon, it took like 1 day to get here. They won't be sitting for too long, but yeah, what a waste of freaking packaging now. And the label, I'm gonna have to void all of these labels and make new ones because now I'm using different weights. There's just some white bubble mailers. I used to have pink ones, but I just thought white would be more neutral. I think the size is perfect. I think about 5 by 7. If anyone is interested in shipping details. To go do this one by one. This is what they look like. So I'm on the road now. I headed out so freaking fast. I didn't even do my hair. I was like, whatever. Not today, not today. I'm on my way to the shop right now to go see how the E30 is coming along. I'm excited to see it. We're probably gonna get food first because I am starving. There's terrible news. Apparently they sent them the wrong rear bag. So, but look at it. That sucks. I got the car. Look at this GTR over there. I'm gonna go do a little walk around right now, but this thing's dirty too. It needs an Alex car wash special. This kit is crazy. The NFR's over there. That is terrible news about the car, but I was already coming, so I was like, let me just go. My freaking pants are like dragging. One and the Supra. So what happened to your car? Tell us the news.
Bag rider sent me the wrong rear bag, so we're gonna send it back to them. They're gonna send us the right one, hopefully, and then get that slapped on. The trunk setup and everything is all good, but just unfortunate.
That sucks. That reeks. Look at this.
So you both.
My car guest appearing.
1 gallon is 455 liters. Wow.
And we got the Datsun. A Tesla? Is that my bestie in a Tessie? This looks nice. No bags, but we got an E30. We went to like 3 In-N-Outs and we finally made it. Everything's packed right now and we're starving. Y'all, I told him to get me some ketchup. This is what he brought me. Oh, this looks so good. Heaven right now, huh?
56, please. 56.
Update. We finished eating and then we were like, we need something sweet now. So we got our milk tea. Oh my god, the home of the depot.
What the?
If you know, you know. When you watch my vlog, you'll understand.
What happened?
Okay, well, we got the E30 safe and sound back, and now we're enjoying a snack. I'll keep you guys updated though for the next time that the E30 is back in the shop, and I'll show you guys how it comes out because I'm excited.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment of what your favorite color is.
Brown.
Mine's pink.
Mine's green.
Okay.
See the